everyone, here we are back at the birdhouse again.
Hi.
Today, on this video, we are going to share with you our 6 tips on how to tame your bird. When we first brought Buddy home, he was pretty wild, wasn't he?
He flopped around his cage everywhere.
Right, he didn't want nothing to do with us. But we followed these 6 steps, and it worked. So here they are. Here is step 1. While your bird is getting used to their new home, they still need to eat. Give them fresh food and fresh water every day, still keeping your distance like Ashley is doing there, and move slowly. Try not to interact with them too much. Allow your bird to get used to everything at its own pace, and you will do this for at least the first week or 2. Moving on to step number 2. Just pull up a chair and sit beside his cage. You can watch TV, read a book, or read to the bird. You can even take turns sitting with another family member. If it is a small child, encourage them to sit still and talk softly. A little interaction with your bird at this point is a good thing. Step number 3. Put your hand against the cage, opposite side of the bird at first, and slowly move your hand closer to him. Once you can put your hand right up next to the bird and he seems calm, you are ready to take the next step. Allow your bird to master each step before moving on to the next one. And that leads us to step number 4. Now that you could put your hand right next to the bird outside his cage, try offering him a treat through the bars. Millet spray is a good treat. Slowly move your hand toward the end of the treat, closer to the beak of your bird. Aw, look, Allie has Emma involved. Good bird, Emma. Almost done. Here's step number 5. Slowly open the cage door and put your hand right inside the cage, still keeping a safe distance. Just rest it on the perch. If your bird seems agitated, just take your hand away, give your bird a couple minutes, and try again. You're going to move your hand closer and closer to the bird. And again, don't move on to the next step until your bird is calm, cool, and collected. And that leads us to our grand finale, step number 6. Offer that treat back to your bird inside the cage. Move your hand closer to the end of the treat, very close to your bird. And if you feel confident enough, put a small piece of millet spray in the palm of your hand and see if he'll take it. Uh-oh, if he bites, that's okay. Just take your hand away, give him a couple minutes, and try again. There you go, buddy. Good boy. And there you go. 6 tips to a tame bird. Just remember to be patient with your bird. Every bird has their own personality and they train differently.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to visit our Etsy shop.
That's right, and subscribe to our channel for more of our videos.